Here I am making a video on this Honda motor. It's a Easy Start GCV160, and here's a model number right here. Well, it won't focus. I'm just having a problem, and I just figured it out with taking the motor off. It's this plastic guard right here that fits inside underneath your mower. It's the chute guard that you take off to get to the belt. Belt's right here. You gotta loosen these two screws and that are right here to take this off. You gotta loosen these two screws, and also there's a secret screw to hold this guard on right here, and hopefully it didn't fall off. It's located anyhow. It's located right up here. There's a metal socketed square fitting where it has a nut thread. Fits on the inside, and it's confusing because it's right here, and I have an idea it's up underneath this part right here because it's hidden. That's what held me back on this Home Depot model Honda lawnmower. It's self-propelled. Anyhow, that's all.